So here we are on the final block of the series, which is block 9, and it's log cabin. It's my favourite, as a lot of you will know. There are 4 blocks needed to create the 12 inches. And the example behind me has used basically a background and 2 colourways. So there's a pink, 2 blocks in pink and 2 blocks in green. These are quite small logs, so I am going to give these a press. I'm going to try not to distort the block, and it is with the dry iron, so that it's nice and square. And if necessary, you could square it up at that point. Don't distort it. So then we would have a green one that comes down here. No matter which way, because again, that's the side with 2 seams, and then a green one comes along the bottom. So we would have 2 green units and 2 pink units, and they should be 6.5 inches raw edge to raw edge.